Yep, not my scene.
What the hell is
Oh, yeah. God's green earth?
find you? Let's spread out. Spread out.
I'll find you. Go! Christ!
Stay alert.
He gave us a slip. Come on, let's regroup at HQ. Fan out! Clear, gonna move on. No! My ears are gonna burst! Surrender!
Base to control. Be on alert. Possible targets near location.
Please state the nature of your emergency. You better get the police out here. Some fool is out here firing his gun. We've tracked your location.
I hope you said your prayers.
Let's finish this!
Oh, God, no!
Drop it! Stay back! Oh
Watch
God,
out,
I
he's
don't
got a
want to
gun.
die. Wait! What are you doing with that? We're out!
Oh, God, no. I know you can hear me. Yowza! I always love the bad poetry contest at Swelter Skelter, so I can't wait to hear what they have next time. I tried submitting something.
Okay, look, we want to go after Titus, okay?
Robotics?
Yeah.
Hey, you find something in the data, though?
Yeah, okay, well, let's just say that all the taxes and the government grants and the research programs, you'll notice the Cody signs there, none of it adds up, okay? They're collaborating with Bloom on something they call the 10-year plan. Again, Cody signs, which is supposed to improve CTOS security. Then why are they filing patents on military tech,
Because
right?
CTOS is going the way of all control systems. That's what Junior here is, a little bot on a mission.
No, he's not. That is not your fucking call.
Wait, you think you're just gonna skip through Titus's front door and steal all their dirty secrets? Even Uncle Sam buys his biometric locks from Titus. That's the level of security we're dealing with, amigo.
Palm reader? That's easy. We just need to find a hand. I bet you could get one, no problem.
Hey, that's your plan? Cut somebody's hand off?
But it works.
Not here. There are heart rate monitors and infrared scan that check for blood flow. No blood flow, no unlock, no pass around.
Okay, fine. Then we grab someone alive and we get them to open it for us.
No. The heart rate monitors will flag if he's nervous.
Okay, then we inject someone with a sedative to bring down their heart rate.
For fuck's sake, we already had a working plan here.
Not with him! Junior, off.
Oh.
Now listen to me. You don't get to walk in here like you own the place, okay? This is my garage. My hardware. He wants to turn Junior into a bomb.
An EMP bomb, Trojan horse style. We hit the right hardware, fry the database, and the doors reset to the default codes. Easy fucking peasy.
Then all we need is the defaults. It does work, man.
One night. One night in the desert together, and the two of you are best friends? Well, you know what? Go ahead, Marcus. Go ahead. Take his side, okay? Don't let me get in the way, right?
Hey, grow the fuck up, son.
Fuck you say to me?
Hey! Hold on. Chill out, man. Chill out. How do we get him inside?
Well, first of all, we're gonna have to get rid of all this meaningful propaganda.
Stop. Stop! Guys, stop. Just keep the paint. When one of these things breaks down, Titus picks them up from a service depot.
Oh.
That's your way to get him inside.
That's good. That's very good.
Nice French.
All right. Ready to roll when you are, Marcus.
Yeah.
Got Junior loaded up and back?
Yep, he's in there. So, will MacGyver and EMP at the repair depot? Hard to believe that's all you really need to break into the world's top security company.
Well, $36,000